Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 27th, 2020. I have done already one Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, this one. And the second one is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1808. And this one I have counted all the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits, so let's get started. Alright, I see a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And then a 6 in this row, the third row, a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1 for the number 6. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. Those 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2 reserved for these 2 boxes. Alright. And now, let me see. How about this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row? So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in one of those 2 boxes, so no 8 in this box. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. How about the number, let me see, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the 3 should be there. We have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So on the last row, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 7. 157, 157. I see here a 5 and a 7, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. That means a 1 box left for the number 1 in this big square. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And we have a pair. We see here 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So a column between, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there. Same story with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 1, it's a pair. So now we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them again. It's a pair, it's a pair. How about the number yeah 9 1 7 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 2. Alright, 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Wow. Need to wait. 7, 7. How about 2, 9 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Well, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. How about the 8? Are the 8s used? Yeah, and all the 8s are used. I can see, yes. Need one more extra. How about let me think. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the 5. We see here 5. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 5, here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. But I see here in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 5, here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So in this column, the first column, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. All right. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number here is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places with the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. So 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 5. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. How about this box in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 9 and the 2 again. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes and there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 2. 1 box left in this row, the third row for the number 7. And the 2 boxes left in this big square, the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great. Sudoku, I like this one. Do we think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the other 2 Sudokus. one tectonic and one binary. See you later. Bye bye for now.